Hi, I'm Beth, and today I'd like to show you how to make the Celadon stitch pattern. It's a simple 2-row repeat stitch, it's gentle to work and easy to remember. For this tutorial, I will be using paint box yarn in color 131 and my tulip 4mm crochet hook to match. Begin with a slip knot. The Celadon stitch pattern is a multiple of 2 chains plus 1 plus 2 for the base chains, and to get some length, I will be chaining 25. Now I have 25 chains. Into the 4th chain from the hook, make 2 half double crochet. Skip the next chain and make 2 half double crochet into the next chain. Repeating again, skip the next chain and make 2 half double crochet into the next chain. Continue this way all the way across. If your counts are correct, you should have 1 chain left at the end. Make 1 half double crochet into that chain. This is the first row, and for this demo, I should have 23 stitches to play on. To begin with the second row, chain 1, and then turn. Into the first stitch, make a single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitch all the way across. At the end of this row, I should have 23 stitches total. And we don't make a stitch into the chain spaces. To begin the third row, chain 1, and then turn. Skip the first stitch, and into the next stitch, make 2 half double crochet. Skip the next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue this way all the way across. On the last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. I should still have 23 stitches on this row. To continue with the next row, chain 1 and then turn. Into the first stitch, make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each and every stitch all the way across. So this is the fourth row. The front of the pattern is where you make the half double crochet. To continue, simply repeat rows 3 and 4 for as many rows as you'd like. Take your time and enjoy the rhythm as your piece grows. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.